following row in the 45 car. That is the 45 of Sean Hofstrom. Outside of Sean Hofstrom in that 725 Chrysler New Yorker, that's Mike Shipman, and round him off back there in the 05 is Jared Neal, the current points leader here in the 6er division. Lights are off. We are going racing this time by. Here they come. Green flag, and we're racing.
And it's the Love Park Auto Bandits, that 87 machine.
And the 87 machine is pulling away from everybody. As Amendrud, here comes Amendrud. '87, Greg Witt holding in there. Amendrud, here comes Amendrud. Amendrud looking to the inside of that 87 car. So it's Witt, Amendrud, followed by Swain, and then Beerman. I think that's the only Chrysler New Yorker I've ever seen at the Rockford Speedway ever. And he's having a hard time keeping up with everybody.
Still Greg Witt in that 87 out front. Amendrud in that 61 second.
As the 5 car of Noah Andrus almost went sideways there going into 1 and 2. Held on to it back there in the 5 car.
There's a huge battle here for 5th, as you mentioned, the 05, the 5, and the 45. Jared Neal, Noah Andrus.
Noah Andrus hanging onto the car for dear life. Scared the 55 away there as he went left, right, left again.
Yeah, Andrew Walling.
Noah Andrus going sideways again almost. Having some handling issues big time.
Oh, yeah. Watch out for that 5 later on in the feature.
I think the 55 is going to stay away from him there of Andrew Whaling. It's going to be 87 of Greg Witt, followed by James Amendrud, and then followed by the 82X of Nate Swain and Beerman. Sean Warman rounding out your top 4. So how about that? A green and pink number 87. Lime green.
That's how you win.
I wonder, it's a primer. It's like a primer, I think, Eric. Maybe it's primer. It's on a Pontiac Bonneville. He's driving a Bonneville. Looks like somewhere from the mid-90s. Did your parents ever have a Bonneville, Eric?
They did not.
No?
Greg Witt out of Beloit, Wisconsin. Erickson Auto, Lily's Lawn Care, No Limit Motorsports, prime sponsors in that 1997 Pontiac Bonneville.
Wow. And he's very happy. He's going to get out. Please welcome the number 87. It's Greg Witt.
That's his first heat win of the year.